I'm doing the Jeep 2.4 liter. I like to come over here and remove my cover. It's 19 millimeter to remove your tire for the lug nuts. Put your vehicle in the air. Put a jack stand. And you have two 14 millimeters, one here, one there. You want to remove those two 14 millimeters so we can take off your caliper. Once I break them loose with my ratchet, just come in here with my Milwaukee. Take them out all the way. Same thing for the bottom. Alright, so once you do that, remove those 14 millimeters. Like this, pull my caliper towards me a little. Take my pry bar, stick it right in there. Just like that. Pry back, use the lip of your rotor. Now you can get it all the way off. Alright, caliper is off. Same thing, just take my pry bar, stick it in there. Same thing for the inside. Then we're going to compress our piston. Alright, both pads removed. I'm going to use a C-clamp method with my old brake pad. Turn clockwise, compress our piston. Keep your eye on the brake fluid. Alright, piston fully compressed. You want to come over here, remove these guide pins. Clean them off, put some grease in them. Same with the bottom ones. And also apply a little grease to the back of your brake pad that sits where your piston is. So the inside pad. Alright, pins has been greased, as you can see, moving freely, top and bottom. I want to take note of the wear strip here. I'm going to put this back. It's going to be an inside pad. And also put a little grease right here. Install them now. New pads installed. Put back on your caliper. Make sure your brake line's not twisted. Alright, caliper's installed. You do have these little notches here. I'm going to line them up with the notch on your caliper. This stops that from spinning. Now install your 14s, both top and bottom. Tighten them down. Alright, new brake pads are in. 14s are tightened. New pads. Brake line the right way. Now we're going to put our tire on. I use this stud here. And cover your reservoir. Pump your brake pedal before moving off. And that's the Jeep front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.